Hey you, yeah, you. Are you someone who does furniture makeovers, but you're scared to let people know in your listings that you actually made over that piece of furniture that you're selling? You're not alone. I coach people who are furniture painters and refinishers, whether they do it as a hobby and are looking to start a side hustle, are doing a side hustle and want to make it full time one day. And one of the things I hear most often is that people are scared to let people know in their listings that they do this for a business or that this is a professionally done refinished piece of furniture, rather than kind of just making it seem like it was something that someone had sitting in their house that they had like done a makeover on, and then 5 years later they're listing it for sale. And do you see what the difference is between the two of those things? And you can start to really lean into the fact that you are a small business owner, you're a side hustler, you're a fill-in whatever title makes you feel warm and cozy at night. You're able to charge a lot more for your pieces. You're able to highlight the products that you use, the process that you do, and really justify that higher price point. And you're also gonna get people in your world who are looking at this piece that you've done and they're like, I love that. Maybe I don't need that specific piece right now, but I want to follow their social media. I'm going to send them an email and see if they have another piece that I am looking for that would work better. I'm like, it's a little selfish, but like it's also going to make you feel a lot better and lean into that mentality of being a small business owner. So this is what I want to see from you. Somewhere in your listing, I want something to be said about the fact that it is a refinished piece of furniture, or whatever, refurbished, whatever word you like to use. I'd also love to see the products that you're using to refinish that piece. Are you using Fusion Mineral Paint, which is a furniture paint specifically designed to adhere to furniture long term and have a lasting modern finish? Well, then that's something that your customer is probably going to want to know. Not that you just took whatever leftover paint you had from your walls and slapped it on there and you're trying to make a profit. But like you could do that too. That's like pretty resourceful. I don't know. And I want to see you shouting yourself out. So add your social media handles, your website, your portfolio somewhere where somebody can get into your world and they'll stay there longer term, rather than just hoping that they happen to come across your listings on Marketplace. These are the things that are going to set you apart from the other people selling furniture in your area, and it's going to make you grow. If you have any questions, leave them here and you can follow for more.